Kim's dog sleeps harder than any person I've ever seen in my life. Check this out.
How does the line work?
You got a ticket at the last minute.
Chocolate drop. Say, wake up. Hey, the house is on fire. Hey. Hey. Check it out. Hey. Let's go. Come on. Let's go outside. Let's go get something to eat. Let's go for a walk. Mommy's home. Come on. Fire. Fire. Now, someone else, I bet you if someone go put some food in the dish, watch what happens. Yeah, go put some food in, go put some food in the dish and see what happens. Has not moved. This shows you right now that my dog is just like me, fat.
You're lying.
Notice that the other dog is already there.